it's Christina. So, this is our newest color edition. They are absolutely stunning. They are called Crimson. Whoa, don't know what happened with my hair. Okay, so these are in the stiletto? No, they're in the pointed toe. They have the hidden platform and the thinner heel. They also have the belt buckle, but they are in this beautiful lipstick red design called Crimson. It's absolutely gorgeous, looks amazing in the light. And we just paired it with this fun little outfit. I'm loving it. It's very Harper's Bazaar, so I think that's awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna come up just so you can get a peek. They're very, very beautiful. Love the color. They're just gonna be a perfect statement piece to all of your outfits. So yeah, we are gonna do some product shots, some pictures and videos. Can't wait for you to see. Christina out.